Welcome to the channel again. I thought today let's have a quick look at how's lithium stocks looking for 2022. And by the way, happy new year to all my viewers, people who watch my channel. Happy new year to all of you. Let's hope this year will bring a lot more gains for us. As you can see, I have the global lithium and battery tech ETF. So this ETF capture most of the sort of what you call the lithium related, battery related stocks. That's why I have this one on the screen. This gives us a fair indication how the price is sort of moving. If you can see here, it sort of went up. Then this is the last few weeks. We had that drop in the what do you call the lithium stocks because there was a drop for some reason. It's like somewhere here drop, then started going up, then dropped like a pullback, then going up. Now you can see this has been supported from the previous support level around here. um, so this is the ETF. This is, I believe, it's a USA one. uh, Anyway, I'm talking, so this gives us a fair indication where the price sort of heading. So let's go to individual stocks and have a look. The few I have here is, first one is Pilbara Minerals, PLS. You can see it is moving. um, you can see I don't have to say anything, it's moving really well. This may have been, when the pullback happened, this may have been a good time to buy, or if you bought somewhere here, really good. But now I think it is, I, I personally, I think it is not right time to enter now. You have to wait for a pullback. Volume also not bad, it's sort of consistent, slightly reduced because of the Christmas and all those things. And you can see RSI also coming closer to the overbought sort of area. See here, when it reached overbought here around this area, there was a pullback. Then when it reached overbought here, this candle, then there was a pullback. So if someone is willing to buy this stock, you can see RSI getting close to the oversold area, then always there's pullbacks, when it reached that area. So you have to wait for a pullback to buy if you want to buy Pilbara. Then next one is CXO Core Lithium. This one seems to have a pullback. If you see here, RSI is around bit higher than that level. So it's around here. The RSI was close to 50%. Here was 56. So this is this area. If I put a vertical line, you can see which area around here. So that's that pullback area, which could have been this is the area good time to buy. But even now volume has reduced, which you expect because of the Christmas period. Even now it is looking good, and my uh, this is the 47 cents is my stop loss level, because it may come down, move sideways, or do whatever. But if it takes out this 47 cents, it will head down to this area for next support. So if anyone want to buy, if they think long term, like if they are willing to buy this long term, you can still buy, because it has to go through this previous resistance, has to go head higher, because there are few possibilities. It may go straight like this. Oh, you can't see that color. Let me change it to white. So now you can see. So yeah, one possibility is this may go past through this resistance and head higher, then that's really good. Other possibility is it may come meet this resistance and there may be a pullback and start going up. So like like let's say if someone want to buy, they can buy it now. This is sort of my stop loss level. That's one scenario. Or if someone willing to wait to see if what happens if when it reach this resistance, because there may be a pullback, so there may be opportunity to buy it lower prices. So those are the two scenarios I can see for core lithium. Next one is gallon lithium. Gallon lithium also is, let's say I put probably this around here is my stop loss level. It may come down little bit and go up next few weeks, but again it looks good. It passed here on this previous resistance area, passed in a high volume. Again, if I do a vertical line here, you can see what I'm talking. See the volume bar here. On high volume, it passed this resistance, previous resistance, so it's really good sign, and came retested here as well. So yeah, if anyone want to buy, again I would put a stop loss here, because if it passed this stop loss, it comes down further than this, it may come and retest this area. So this will be my stop loss, and it looks good at this stage. So that's another one. Then the Novonix and VX, I think a lot of people know. Yeah, Novonix, I have these 50% are the GAN 50%, which I sometimes use. Like it provide me some sort of a guidance, because it um, sometimes, what do you call, like you can see here, like resistance came in 50% around here, then sort of support came around 50% here from this range, 50% of this range, and the 50% of this big range is the 50 again 50% here. Anyway, regardless of that, let's have a look at I'll remove these ones so you can see them clearly. uh, Sorry. Yeah, now you can see this is the line I have created. So probably I will move it here. That's my stop loss level. It looks really good at this stage. So you can see it is now consolidating around this area, around here. So I like, again, I really love the Novonix and the Talga. Let's look at next one. So if anyone want to jump in, yeah, it's, you can jump in and put the stop loss here, because if it takes out this low here, probably it will head more lower prices, so you can buy it at cheap rates. Otherwise, I believe it may consolidate bit more around this area before the next leg up. Volume was reducing, which is obvious because of the Christmas season. Yeah, that at this stage it looks good, and this is my stop loss level. If anyone want to buy, that's that one. Next one is Targa. I'll remove these GAN 50% levels. Again, you can see this is the big support area for this stock. I have done a lot of, not lot, few more videos on Targa. If you want, you can have a look in my channel. So this is the main support area. When it comes down, always this area has supported. Then this box I like drawn here, or is a resistance area. See here, failed, 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 sort of failed here. Now this stock is in that area now. So it will be an interesting time to see next few weeks what this stock does, whether it will pass through this resistance or will it be rejected again. So if you're willing to buy Talga, I would wait few more weeks to see what happen, next few weeks to see what happen in this area, whether it will go up past this point and or whether it will fail again like previously and come down. So again, few scenarios is go through all the way here, maybe then meet this resistance and retest here and go back. That's one scenario. Then the other scenario is probably it may go somewhere here within this range, then drop back and have to try again. So those are the scenarios I can see. So for Talga, I would wait few more what do you call few more weeks just to see what happened in this area. If it goes up past this resistance, then that may be a buy signal with the bottom of the range with the stop loss. Or if it fails come down, then that may be another opportunity to buy this stock. Then the next area above here is the next sort of resistance area. Put this one bit up here, which I expect resistance again. That's Targa. Next one is Vulcan Energy. You can see here. Uh, Sort of it has respected this trend line up to now. So it is in that range. So this is a good time if anyone believe in this stock to buy, but considering here this is you can see the resistance area, it has been rejected. This is going down, this has this time it has been rejected, so it may be rejected again. But if anyone want to buy, this may be a good time to buy this and put a stop loss with slip it down, let's say around here. This may be a good safe stop loss level for it. For maybe I'll make a box. So not target, sorry, Vulcan Energy, sorry. This may be like a support area. It may come down further down and get supported from this box. Let's wait and see, but again it looks good because it is coming to this trend line. Up to now this trend line has been sort of respected by this stock, so this is looking good. Volume also last few weeks it's picked up, like last few weeks it's a bit low because of the Christmas. Other thing is you can see the RSI is in this, what's that, 45%. So 45% is once now, then again this area we are here, then 45% is way back here. So this is like you can see like here around this area, this is when the stock is very low. So since this big run, like people hasn't sold it until sort of now, which is now around 45, which again, that's why I said it's a good time sort of be based on RSI and the trend line. Seems a good time to buy this stock, but again this is not financial advice, so make your own research and own decisions, but by looking at it, it seems a good time to buy with the stop loss around $9. Next one is the last one, SYA, Sayona Mining. So this is what you call speculative buy. It's I think a small one compared to the others. Anyway, you can see here, see this is support area, previously supported. Now it looks, see the came down, looks this stock has been supported here. So my stop loss here would be, I would make it slightly bigger around here, delete this line. So my stop loss is bottom of this box, that's about 10.05 cents, 10 or sorry 105 cents, or 10.5 cents, I believe that's how you tell that. Anyway, you can see here 10 on the side, you can see here, that's the stop loss level. uh, so it looks good. Again, RSI, you see it has dropped further down here. See, this is the stop, this is the RSI came to 50, around 50 previously, then had the big run. Now it is below that level, so people started selling this one, and RSI has been lower in this area. So again, if someone believe in Sayona and you think it will do really good next year or two, this may be a good time to buy and put with the stop loss around here, bottom of my box. That may be a good stop loss level. If it fails that stop loss, like if it comes down past this box, I believe it will come to prices around here. So that's why this stop loss like is a level you have to put and protect, like say minimize your losses. That's all the, what you call, the lithium stocks I have for 2022, which I believe will be a good year again for 2022. 2021 was a really good one for the lithium related stocks. um, yeah, if you like my videos, please subscribe. If you think they add you some value, please subscribe and give thumbs up to like my videos. That will help my channel a lot. Until next time, thanks.